pigs. What are the sound as our it's these dudes. There are a bunch of hungry ducks on deck. There's a few chickens. Yeah. Look at these dudes. These aren't even full-grown ducks. They're babies, basically. There's more little baby ducks. More ducks. Some clouds, but they're gone, so it's good to see. More ducks. I mean, yeah, but you have a lot of ducks. Look at these dudes. And so they're pigs waiting for food. Hey, Jay, imagine you know his spread about food, Tom. It's going lay down out here. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Yeah, baby, I'm all around my feet. I'm not standing there. My bacon. This is Lucky Speckles. Our angry mum chicken. She is furious. Oh, where did these guys come from? Hi guys. I think that must be like in there or something. Alright, gonna once again hop down and trample any baby chickens because they're everywhere and they're tiny. Oh, I am being potioned. Oh, hi guys. Dude. There's Ginger. I don't really know. That's Mango. That's Tango. That's Lucky Speckles. That's Owl. That's Unnamed Baby Chicken. That's Little Dumbo. There are more unknown baby chickens. That's, I think, Onion. That's a Dumbo. That's Penguin. Penguin's poop. That's Momo. That's a Hawk. That's Woodchuck. Now, only one of these ducks actually has a name. Apart from most of the baby chickens are chunkos. Because they're fat. I feed too much. They fed too much. Dude, are these guys being run out of food? And we just couldn't get any, so yeah. They're all a bit hungry right now. They're also furious and haven't been fed. Who? Oh, hi guys. Yeah, the downside of having ducks, a big fat and loud, no hunt. No food. We ran out. So let's feed this. I ran out of pig food though. We ran out of animal food. Run out here. Hi guys. That's a mum chicken, where a baby? I know it is. That's not good like chicken. Whoa! Chicken fight! Right. Hi piggies! The fish cockses. Hi guys, look at these piggies. Alright, hi guys. I'm gonna do this and also, sorry. Oh no, sorry. I just poured a bunch of food all over Hemp's snout. He probably doesn't mind, but like, sorry Hemp. Yeah. He's making curry his tablets making my arm sword. Here are piggies and chickens. The sheerest number of birds. Like, I don't know, I think about 40 birds total. Yep. There's Roger, a magnificent rooster. Hey guys, so everybody know how magnificent he is. Cause we're just birds. Oh, whack to you too.